Okay, now we have to create the code. Let's see what happens in this game first. Here it is necessary to detect an image by the camera. According to the image, the game can be played between the player and the bot. You must have played this game before, so you already know how to win the game. You need to select one of the three players, rock, paper or scissors. Let's assume that while the bot selected the rock, the player selected paper. Since the rock can be covered with paper, the player wins. If the player selects the scissor, the rock can break the scissor, so the bot wins. In this way, the game can be played between the player and the bot. Since pose detection is required for this, let's add an extension first. I click the Add Extension button at the bottom left side of the interface. Now, let's select this Teachable Machine extension. Now you can see below the code blocks categories, the Teachable Machine extension has been added. I click the Create a Model button under Teachable Machine now. Teachable Machine will open like this in your web browser. Now from here, select Image Project. I select the standard image model for these two image models. For this app, we create image models for three scenarios: rock, paper and scissor. First, let's create three classes for that. After clicking the rename button in front of class 1, type as rock. Also, I click the rename button in front of class 2 and rename it as paper. One more class is needed. For that, let's click the Add a Class button below and add a class. I will rename this class as scissors. Okay, next is to add the image samples for these three classes. You can download the required images by going onto our website dpcode.lk and clicking on the Download Images link given under Project 6. It will be easy for you if you created a separate folder and saved these images in the same way as you saved the images before. First, the Upload button below the rock class is clicked. Since we are going to upload the images which are saved in our computer, let's click the Choose Images from your Files button. Now, all files are clicked. Now, browse the folder where you have saved the downloaded images. Okay, now select the rock image here and click the Open button. Next is to add image samples to the paper class. As before, click the Upload button below the class. Now, let's click on the Choose Images from your Files button. From here, all files is clicked. Now, browse the folder where you have saved the downloaded images. Okay, now select the paper image here and click the Open button. Next, in this way, let's add the images to the scissors class as well. Click the Upload button below the class. Now, click the Choose Images from your Files button. From here, all files is clicked. Now browse the folder where you have saved the downloaded images. Okay, now select the scissors image here and click the Open button. Okay, now we have finished adding sample images to the three classes. Next is to train the model. Before that, click on the arrow in front of Advanced below the Training button and change the epochs value to 150. Now click the Train Model button. Finally, let's click the Export Model button under the preview. Now click the Upload My Model button here. The model will be uploaded like this. Okay, now when the model is finished uploading, you may see that the button has changed to Update My Cloud model like this. Next, copy the link under your shareable link here and paste it in the notepad.